evening everyone. Welcome to my class. I will continue the class application of trigonometry remaining questions. Those who are not watched the first class, see the first class. There I solved 4 important questions based on the topic application of trigonometry word problems. This is the second class in application of trigonometry. Okay. Yes, good evening once again everyone. Easy problem, remaining 4 problems I will solve now, easiest problem. Okay. Then next problem, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. One is building, another one is the tower. Consider this is the building, then another one is the tower. Then what they are telling in the question, the angle of elevation from the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. This is the building. The angle of elevation they are given here from the top of the building to the foot of the tower, that is 30 degree. Then the angle of elevation from the of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter height, the height of the tower is given, it is 50 meter. Angle of elevation they are given from both. Then find the height of the building. You have to find the value of height of the building. DC is how much you have to calculate. Interesting and also important problem. They are given the angle, they are given the angle of elevation of 2 also they are given. Then they are given height of the tower is given 50 meter. Then you have to calculate the height of the building. Okay, let us consider here, this is the adjacent, then this one is the opposite one, this also opposite, then this one is hypotenuse, then this one also hypotenuse. Then consider the triangle ABC first. ABC, this triangle consider first. Consider the triangle ABC. Okay, I will write here only. Consider the triangle ABC. This triangle ABC, tan theta, it will be opposite divided by adjacent. Then this triangle 60 degree, tan 60 degree, it will be equal to, don't consider, I am considering this triangle, then tan 60 degree it will be, opposite is 50, they are given, opposite is 50, then adjacent we don't know, consider, write it as CB only. Then tan 60 degree, you know the value, root 3, it will be equal to 50 divided by CB. This implies CB value is 50 divided by root 3. We got CB value is 50 divided by root 3. I will write here CB value is 50 divided by root 3. Adjacent value we calculated, the distance between the building and also tower. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the height of the building. Consider next triangle, smaller one. In triangle BCD, consider the triangle BCD. This triangle BCD, this triangle. Okay. Then here tan 30 degree, it will be equal to opposite. We don't know, right? DC as it is. Adjacent we calculated, that is 50 divided by root 3. Therefore tan theta it will be equal to, opposite is DC, we don't know, right, as it is only. Then adjacent we got the value 50 divided by root 3. Then tan theta it will be equal to tan 30 degree, it will be equal to DC into, take the reciprocal, you will get root 3 divided by 50. Tan 30 degree, its value is 1 by root 3. It will be equal to DC into root 3 divided by 50. Then solve here, you will get DC, it will be root 3 into root 3, you will get DC, cross multiply DC into root 3, you will get DC into 3, it will be equal to 50. Cross multiply all the terms. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3, no? DC, it will be equal to 50 divided by 3. Write in the mixed fraction 16 2 divided by 3 meter. This is the height of the building. This value is nothing but DC. This is the height of the building. DC is, we got the value of DC, that is nothing but height of the building is nothing but, we can write it as mixed fraction, or simply you can write 50 by 3 also correct. Write it, split it as mixed fraction 16 2 by 3 meter. Both the way also you can represent. If they are asked in multiple choice question, sometime they will ask in the mixed fraction. Okay, understood? Those who are there in the live, joined late, I will explain once again. Listen here. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. This is the building, this is the tower. Angle of elevation they are given. Angle of elevation made by the building to the foot of the tower is 30 degree. In the same way, angle made by the top of the tower to foot of the building, it will be 60 degree. Both the angle of elevation they are given. Then they are given in the question, height of the tower is, they are given 50 meter. Then you have to calculate the height of the building DC. Consider the bigger triangle here, tan triangle ABC. You know tan 60 degree, it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is 50, adjacent write CB as it is. Tan 60 degree is nothing but root 3, it will be equal to 50 divided by CB. CB, it will be 50 divided by root 3. Adjacent value we calculated here, the distance between the C and B is 50 divided by root 3. Then consider one more here, smaller triangle, that is BCT. Okay, then here tan 30 degree, it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. We got the adjacent value, substitute, take the reciprocal and simplify, you will get the value of DC, it will be 16 2 by 3 meter. This is the value of height of the building. Okay, next problem. Easy, these problems are easy, but you have to know how to draw the diagram, then how to solve the problem. Okay, next, understand next problem. Two poles of equal heights. Here you can consider two poles. Height of the poles, here this is pole 1, this is pole 2. Height of the pole, it will be equal. Equal means AB, it will be equal to DE. Okay, are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. On either side of the road, two poles they will be standing, which is 80 meter wide. The distance between the two poles they are given here, that is 80 meter. Okay, from here to here is 80 meter. Then from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Here angle made by the angle from the point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles. See, from a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Here 60 degree and 30 degree angle of elevation, it will be 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the poles and also distance of the point from the pole. You have to calculate the height of the pole and also distance between the pole from this point C. What is the distance of BC? Then what is the distance of CE? These distance also you have to calculate. Two poles of equal height, they are given. They are situated at other. They are situated. They are given the condition. See, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, on either side opposite to each other, okay, which is 80 meter wide, and they are given angle of elevation made by the two poles. One is 60 degree, another one is 30 degree. Then you have to calculate the height of the poles, and you have to calculate the distance of the point from the poles. These two distance also you have to calculate, okay. Understood the question? Now consider in triangle ABC. I am considering this triangle ABC. This is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, means this one is the adjacent, correct? No, this one is adjacent, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, here also this is hypotenuse, this one is opposite, okay. Then in triangle ABC, this triangle, tan theta, it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Here they are given, consider from here to here, BC value is x, then CE value it will become 80 minus x. We don't know both the values also, at least any one value we can consider as x, no. If you consider BC as x, then CE it will be 80 minus x. Consider for your convenience, we have to calculate. If we consider as a value of x, then we can easily find out, because we don't know the adjacent value, both also we don't know. Consider at one distance it will be x, then remaining it will be 80 minus x, because the distance between the two poles is given 80 meter. Then tan 60 degree it will be equal to, opposite is how much? Opposite is AB, right, as it is, we don't know the value of AB. Adjacent is x, we consider as the value of BC is x. Then tan 60 degree it will be equal to root 3 AB divided by x. Then AB, its value is root 3x. We got the value of AB is root 3x. Then consider one more triangle, in triangle CDE, another triangle. Tan theta it will be here also opposite divided by adjacent. Then tan 30 degree, opposite we don't know, consider as DE. Adjacent is 80 minus x. I will show the diagram, don't worry. See here, I am considering the triangle DCE. Tan 30 degree it will be opposite, we don't know, write it as DE. Then adjacent is this one only, no, adjacent is 80 minus x, that one only I wrote, okay. Then tan 30 degree it will be equal to 1 divided by root 3, it will be equal to DE divided by 80 minus x. Then cross multiply, you will get 80 minus x, it will be equal to root 3 DE. Then DE it will be equal to 80 minus x divided by root 3. Then one important thing they are given in the question, the height of both the poles it will be equal. Equal means AB it will be equal to DE. They are given in the question. In the beginning only two poles of equal height they are given in the question. Therefore AB it will be equal to DE. I will write here AB it will be equal to DE. DE, no, correct? I will check once again. AB it will be equal to DE. What is the AB value? Root 3x. What is the DE value? DE value we have here. AB value is root 3x. DE value is 80 minus x divided by root 3. Here also cross multiply. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3x. It will be equal to 80 minus x. Takes x term one side. Then 4x it will be equal to 80. Then x it will be equal to 4 ones are 4 twos are. Then x value it will be equal to x it will be equal to 20. Okay. Then here what we assumed in the beginning here this x value is 20 means here if it is 20 then 80 minus 20 is 60. Here we got the distance. Here these two distance we got. X value is 20 means 80 minus 20 is 60. Then we have to calculate the value of AB. Consider any one, either you consider AB, either you consider DE, both also you will get the value. You know AB it will be equal to root 3x. Substitute here the value of x, root 3 into 20. Therefore AB its value is 20 root 3. The height of the poles, you can consider this also, this also. Even D also you can consider, substitute the value of x, both in that also you will get the same value. Consider the easy one, why to waste the time. Consider the easy one, that is 20 root 3. Therefore the height of the pole it will be 20 root 3. Very easy and also important question. Okay, practice the problem, then only you can answer, then only you can simplify, otherwise you are not able to solve any problem in the exam. Okay, next question, question number 12. Two more questions are there, then after I will stop. Okay, from the top of a 7-meter height building, 7-meter height building, the angle of elevation from the top of a, here this one is there, why it is rubbed I don't know. Okay, this height is there 60 degree. Okay, from the top of a 7-meter height building, 7-meter height building, this is the height of the building is given, this is 7 meter. Okay, top of a 7-meter height building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Yes, angle of elevation is 60 degree. The angle of depression of its foot, angle of depression is given 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. This height of the tower, full tower you have to calculate. From AE, height of the tower is nothing but from here to here. This value you have to calculate. AE value you have to calculate. What is given in the problem here? From the top of a 7-meter high building, this is the building having the height 7 meter, building of height 7 meter. Then the angle of elevation, this is the cable tower you have, on the building you have the cable tower. Then it is making an angle of elevation is 60 degree. From the same that top, once again it is making an angle of depression 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. You have to find the height of the tower. Here when you are having the angles in the form of a Z, alternative angle, this angle it will be equal to this angle. This angle also it will be in the form of a Z. I will write here. This angle also it will be in the form of a Z. See here. This also it will be in the shape of a Z. Alternative angles are same. If this angle is 45 degree, then this angle also 45 degree. Alternative angles are same. When two lines are parallel lines, here consider this is the parallel line, this is the parallel line. In the parallel line, alternative angles are same. If the angles they are in the shape of a Z form, that one you have to remember. Okay, understood? Next. Okay, next I will write here only. Then consider here tan theta, consider here tan theta it will be equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Then tan 45 degree angle of depression 45 degree they are given here. Opposite is here. If you consider this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse, okay, then this one, this is the hypotenuse means this is the opposite. If this is 7 meter, this also 7 meter, correct no? Then opposite is 7 meter divided by hypotenuse, we don't know, consider as a d. Hypotenuse, sorry, adjacent, consider as a tan theta opposite divided by adjacent, sorry I wrote wrong, opposite divided by adjacent. Adjacent is here DE. Then tan theta it will be 1, 7 divided by DE. Then DE value also 7 meter. This DE value also 7 meter. Consider this triangle. This is also, this is adjacent. Then this is hypotenuse. This is opposite. Consider one more here. In triangle ABC, tan theta it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Wait, I will show. First I will write, I will show. Tan 60 degree it will be equal to, opposite is AB, adjacent is 7. Here tan 60 degree it will be opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite we don't know, write it as AB. Adjacent value we calculated. If this one is 7 meter, this also 7 meter. This one it will be like a perfect square. Okay. Then tan 60 degree it will be equal to root 3. Then AB divided by 7. Then AB it will be 7 root 3. You know the full length it will be equal to, full length of the tower it will be equal to AB plus BE. You know the value of AB 7 root 3, BE value is 7, take 7 as common, root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1. This is the height of the tower we calculated, 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter, height of the tower. Because height of the tower AE it will be equal to AB plus BE. This is 7 meter, this is 7 root, this is 7 root 3. Both also calculate, you will get 7, take it as a common, root 3 plus 1 meter. Easy question, very easy question. Understood? See here what you have to calculate. First you have to consider this lower triangle CDE. Then you will get the adjacent value 7 meter. Then consider the upper triangle ABC. Then there also apply tan theta. You know adjacent. You know even hypotenuse we don't know. But opposite also we don't know. We can calculate. Substitute, you will get the answer. Tan 60 degree it will be equal to AB divided by 7. Next, last problem, today's last problem. If you are not able to solve the problem, revise the problem, listen my explanation 1 or 2 times. Okay. Then try to practice the problem. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance 4 meter, 9 meter from the base of the tower. Here 2 towers are there. Okay. 2 towers. No, only one the angle of elevation of the top of a tower, this is the only one tower, then it is making at a 2 points, it is making angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance 4 meter and also 9 meter from the base of the tower in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. You have to prove the height of the tower is 6 meter. Here two towers, sorry, only one tower is there, don't get confused. What tower is there? AB is the tower. It is making at a point C, at a point D, two angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, one from 4 meter from the tower, another from 9 meter from the tower. Both are complementary angle. Complementary angles means if one is theta, another one is 90 minus theta. Here they are given, both are complementary angle. One is theta, another one is 90 minus theta. Consider a tower. That tower is making an two angle of elevation. First from the distance 4 meter, another from the distance 9 meter from the point base of the tower. Both the angles are complementary to each other. If one angle is theta, another angle is 90 minus theta. That one you have to remember. Now calculate. Calculation it will be easy. In triangle, what you have to prove? The height of the tower is 6 meter. You have to prove. In triangle ABD, this one ABD, tan theta it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Tan theta we don't know the value, right as it is. Here which one is the opposite, which one is the adjacent, means this one. This is the adjacent, this is also an adjacent, then this one is the opposite, then this one is the hypotenuse, correct? No, hypotenuse this one. Now tan theta it will be opposite, we don't know, write it as AB only. Then adjacent is for bigger, I am considering ABT, this is the adjacent 9. Then tan theta it will be AB by 9, AB it will be equal to 9 tan theta. Consider one more triangle now, triangle ABC, smaller one. Then tan theta it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Here tan complementary angle 90 minus theta, it will be opposite is AB, adjacent is 4. I will show. Consider ABC. In this one ABC, opposite is AB, we don't know, adjacent is 4, from here to here is 4. Theta is 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta, complementary angles, AB divided by 4. Then AB it will be equal to 4 cot theta. Then AB values you can equate. 4 cot theta it will be equal to 9 tan theta. This we can write it as 4 divided by cot theta is nothing but 1 divided by tan theta. It will be equal to 9 tan theta. Then 4 divided by 9 it will be equal to tan and tan square theta. Then square root of 4 by 9 it will be equal to tan theta. Then you know tan theta it will be, I will consider only positive, 2 divided by 3. You know tan theta its value is AB divided by 9, it will be 2 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are, therefore AB value is 6 meter. That one we proved. Height of the tower it will be 6 meter. Don't get confused, I will explain once again. Okay, up to here you understood. AB is 9 tan theta. Here at the end I substituted here. How you got, ma'am? You can ask me at the end. Here assume, listen here. In case of tan theta, it will be AB divided by 9. I will alter here only. AB is equal to 9 tan theta. Then from here tan theta, it will be equal to AB divided by 9. This one I substituted here. In place of tan theta, I substituted AB divided by 9. Then 3 ones are 3 threes are, you will get AB, it will be 6 meter. These are the easy problem. Definitely you can solve in the exam. Consider the bigger and smaller one. Here what I did, I equated the value of AB. Here this step I equated the value of AB values I equated. AB is 4 cot theta, AB is 9 tan theta, I equated. Then you know cot theta, it will be 1 by tan theta, then 4 by 9, exchange the terms, then tan into tan square theta, then tan theta, it will be 2 by 3 if you remove the square root. Consider only positive value. Then tan theta, already I show its value is AB by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are, then AB, it will be 6 meter. Means we proved the tower height. The height of the tower, it will be 6 meter. We proved what we are given in the question, we proved. Okay, thanks for listening my class. Those who are not free, those who are not able to attend the live class, please watch the recorded class. These are the questions are very important, and also these questions definitely they will ask in the exam. All the types of competitive exams, definitely they are going to ask. Please support my channel, watch the video, share the video to your friends, they can make use of the classes. Okay, thanks for listening my class. Thank you everyone, take care.